Namaste and good morning. We're here in beautiful Samoa, and one of the most incredible aspects of being in Samoa is knowing that Samoa translates to sacred center. Sometimes we may feel as if our own personal sacred center is a little anxious and imbalanced. To balance the mind, we can take a particular breathing technique, pranayama, that stills the mind, brings calmness to the nervous system, and helps us to feel this surrounding within our own individual bodies. Today's technique is called Bhramari pranayama. Known as buzzing bee, literally sounds like a bee buzzing. Mm. Now, before we get started, I'm going to encourage you to listen to this before we close the eyes. On the inhalation, we breathe in through the nose, and on the exhalation, we exhale through the nose, but we make the humming sound like a bee. Mm. We'll take this 3 times, but before we do it, there's a hand gesture to allow the breath to balance and calm our brains. You'll take your thumbs and place it right where the ear flaps are, closing in the ear flaps, and then placing your fingers on top of your crown. If you've closed off your ears and you can't hear me, just stay for a few more seconds before we take this. As we close off the ears and place the fingers on the crown, the exhalation and humming sound creates a vibration that you might feel at the very top of your brain, or the space between the brain and your cranium. Why don't you go ahead and try that one time? Close the flaps, hands on top, inhale. Mm. As you can see, that humming sound really resonates within our brain hemispheres. Let's take Bhramari pranayama 3 times together, and let's balance our nervous system with ease and grace in this sacred center. Thumbs up to the ear flaps, all 4 fingers of each hand on top of the crown. Close the eyes, inhale, and exhale. Mm. 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 Remove your hands and gently place your index fingers and thumbs together, resting the back of your hands to the tops of your knees. And just take a moment to notice any subtle shifts that you might feel within your body at this moment. Let's take a deep breath to inhale and a calm breath to exhale. Bring your palms to your heart center and bow your head as a symbol of gratitude for taking time to balance your nervous system and invite this pranayama or breathing technique into your sacred center. Namaste. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along for more tips on how to balance your nervous system and bring yoga and the sacred center into your being.